Dear Dr. Anders Wall and Wall alumni, I've been always fascinated by entrepreneurial mindset, by passion, conviction, and vision the founders have. I started off by bringing this entrepreneurial mindset to young generations of Ukrainians, then by empowering visionary founders from the Baltics, and now nurturing this mindset in myself. I was born and raised in Ukraine, and I dreamt of the opportunity to study abroad, to explore the world and seize opportunities. And this became possible thanks to the first scholarship that I received in SSE Riga. With my first big project with Shepetko Foundation, we developed an entrepreneurship program for teenagers to give them tools to create and innovate. And my mission was simple: to give entrepreneurial mindset to young Ukrainians. Mindset that is not embedded in our post-Soviet culture, mindset that is not given to us as schools and needs to be nurtured. This project was a quick learning curve for me as a leader and as a project manager. And I'm very proud to see how our alumni are now starting their own businesses, NGOs, and receiving scholarships to study in top universities in the US. With the same motivation, I went into venture capital to support and learn from visionary founders. For me, early stage investing is all about connecting founders with the right opportunities, about building the relationships and learning about different business models, variety of different business strategies. I'm convinced that we young people need to embarrass ourselves with a great fantasy of who we can be and how we can do it. Think globally and create locally. And I remember that I came to SSE Riga with the motivation to connect fashion and business. And now I'm working on a business idea called Up Design, the idea that is designed to solve the inefficiencies of the fashion industry that lie in the supply chain. And the problem is very clear. The conventional fashion industry is one of the world's most polluting. It's responsible for up to 10% of CO2 emissions, 12 million tons of waste, and is still operating, in most cases, on a linear economic model. With Up Design software, my goal is to reduce the amount of textile waste that is being thrown away or being burnt. It can be done by integrating upcycling techniques into the production process and by streamlining the information flow between designers and manufacturers. And eventually allowing to upcycling from 50 to 80% of textile waste that exists in the production process. The next steps are all about prioritization, iterations, and gaining industry-specific knowledge. And I am grateful to Anders Wall Scholarship for the opportunity to dive into self-exploration, focus on what matters, and try out different projects without being financially constrained. Thank you, Mr. Anders Wall, for freedom and opportunity to pursue my mission and passion.